Nuestra Señora del Santisimo Rosario de la Visitacion de Piat. Known as the Apobaket of Cagayanos, or Yena Tamngamin of the Ibanags in Cagayan Valley. The image of Our Lady of Piat was made in Goa, India, using paper mache. It was specifically intended for the missions in Macau and was brought to the Philippines in 1604. The old Santo Domingo Church in Intramuros was her home until she was transferred to her shrine in Cagayan Valley. The Virgin of Piat earned her title Visitacion because of the stories of her nocturnal visitations to her devotees over the centuries. Numerous miracles were attributed to her intercession, and on one account, it is believed that she paved the way to the pacification of warring tribes that led to peace in Cagayan Valley. On June 20, 1954, the Queen of Cagayan Valley was pontifically crowned at the Plaza of Tuguegarao at the end of the Diocesan Marian Congress conducted by the then Papal Nuncio, Archbishop Egidio Banyosi. Today, the image is venerated by thousands of devotees at the Basilica Minor de Nuestra Señora de Piat in Cagayan Valley.